Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, and today I'm just going to be taking you guys through cleaning my sewing room. I already just cleaned off my desk. I did record it, but for some reason I'm having technical difficulties and I'm unable to upload it. Okay guys? I am unable to upload that part of the video. But here I'm just picking up everything that I threw away or that I took out. And I usually throw everything on the floor and then I pick it up all at once and toss it in the trash. I'm going through the closet now that my desk is clean and I threw all that stuff away. I'm taking everything out of my closet. It works better when you move everything out. This is kind of what I have so far of cleaning because it is now the next day and everything that I took out from the closet is kind of just all over the place. I just fixed that drawer, so I organized it, and now I'm putting things away in the drawers and seeing where everything can kind of go. I am taking this little 3-drawer plastic drawer thing apart and kind of throwing everything away. I'm getting some utensils like my scissors, pins, needles, just random things that have been thrown in here. I found so much trash. I haven't sewn, mind you, this year. I've sewn maybe like a handful of items, maybe less, because there was a point where I was working 2 jobs. There was a point where I was working like extremely full time, and now I will be a stay-at-home mom again. This year we really focused on working, both my husband and I, and now I am taking a step back and finishing off the year with staying at home and kind of getting some things ready. And I don't know, we'll see what life changes constantly, so as life changes, you have to adjust to it. So here we go. I'm just putting things away, with seeing where it can go. Stay hydrated. # drink water, Yeah, I'm sweeping and now I'm stuffing the closet with stuff. Seeing what can go where. I like to come into the office and I cannot work around clutter. I am not someone that can do very well on clutter. All of that paper up there, I'll stick to the wall, is all of my sewing patterns, and I'm actually going to go through them on a different day and see what I'm going to continue to resew, what I'm not going to sew, what's going to get thrown away, stuff like that. I'm just focusing right now on cleaning it and making it, being able to come in and just breathe in and watch my mind create things. So I'm getting rid of these 2 plastic drawer sets because I just didn't need them. I have way too much drawer space as it is, and I don't need any more as of right now, Maybe I will in the future, I don't know. Maybe I'll throw those away. I don't know. I'm cleaning this green shelf looking thing. Honestly, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I should just spray paint it black. I don't know if I should leave it. I don't know if I should move it maybe to the living room. I honestly don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to put inside of it because it's so small, like the shelves in there. So if you guys have any ideas of what I can place in there, just let me know. Any crafty, anything cute that I could put in there. I threw my iron up in there. I was like, screw it, let me just throw my iron up there. And this is it so far. So let's go ahead and come in. Let's do this the right way, like all the fancy people putting up YouTube videos. And pop, I'm coming into my office, and here are my sewing patterns. Here is my desk. That's some things that I have on the shelf, some pictures, little quotes, and cute little things. I have some more pictures here pinned up, and my daughter's little old shoes. And the first drawer, I have some sewing stuff, paper, that rolling sticky stuff, some measuring tape. Here I have like school supplies. Here I have tools like around the house, hammer, etc. I have my desk and my the board that I need to buy markers for, all of my thread colors, the green shelf thing that I don't know what to do with, my plastic poly pellets. I am working on a blanket right now. Here I have my labels, Happy Hugs blankets. And then here I have cutting utensils, and then my pins and needles and all that fun stuff. On the first drawer, I have all my sewing patterns. Yes, I do. And then I have on the second drawer, I have some books that I've bought. I have my stethoscope. I am a medical assistant by day. I'm just kidding. I was an MA for a while. Here are some elastic bands and measuring tape. Let me redo that. Hold on. Here we go. Here are my elastic bands and like double tape elastic and some zippers, little things like that. And then here I have some crafts, some spider web, tissue paper. I used my flyers that I used to throw out around the neighborhood. And then here is an empty drawer. Don't know what to put in there yet. We'll see. Now on to my closet. Here are some things that I made that I didn't like very much, how they fit me. And then here are some scrap fabrics. These two bins are filled with scrap fabric, okay? Up here is, down here is the 25-pound box of plastic poly pellets that I haven't opened yet. Here are some sealable vacuum bags. Up there is my scale, hangers. And then here are my mailing boxes and then some polyfill fiber stuff, my ironing board, and the thing that I use to make my patterns. Here is some interfusible stuff, some fabric, and this is a drawer where I'm supposed to like fix some stuff. Like those pants have a hole in them. This, my daughter wants me to put back in a zipper. I don't know if I'm going to do that. It's an emoji bag. I don't know. We'll see. It'll make her happy. But yeah, this is it. And last but not least, this is my thing whenever I'm feeling down or whatever. Like, I just look at it and it says, like, be considerate, be strong, be talented, be thoughtful, be curious, be exciting. It's just a bunch of positive, beautiful words that whenever I'm feeling in whatever kind of mood, I can look at it and a word will stand out and it just feels good. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope your sewing space is comfortable and clean like mine currently feels right now. See you guys in the next video. Bye.